Hello, my name is Caden Herder. Today I will be showing you how to take the black powder out of a .22 cartridge and to take the bullet off. First off, you're going to need the bullets. Second, you need 2 pliers. Then, third, what you do is you take the bullet end of the cartridge and put it in one pliers, okay? Take another pliers and grab it and make sure they're flat. If it's like this, all that happens is that you do not go anywhere. So make sure they are exactly the same. What you might want to do is just go like that. Then you bend up and you got them apart. Do a few more yet. Okay, so you put the bullet in there. This. Bend it. Dump that out. And when you are doing this, always make sure you are wearing safety goggles. You can probably just get them at your local hardware store, just in case something blows up. It most likely won't, but always got to be careful. I've been doing this for a little while now, so I'm getting better at it. A little bit quicker. Totally. This is all the lead I've gotten out of them so far. Here's all the shells. And I just spilled my black powder, made a big mess on the floor, so that's only like a quarter of all the black powder total. Whatever you do, don't do that because it makes a huge mess and it sticks to everything. I'll just do one more, just to make sure you caught it. Take one pliers, pinch that, take another pliers, like that. Bend it, dump, drop, drop. Thanks for watching.